modern workplace is quickly changing, with tenants now prioritizing usability, flexibility, and amenities more than ever. As a property owner, you want to innovate and keep up. But how can you do that when you're already overloaded with manual work and managing many different disconnected systems? Meet Illity, the tech platform that uses physical rights management to connect all of your disparate systems and automate manual workflows. It is the first platform designed to manage the now more complex business of real estate.